What is Clean Master? Clean Master optimized Android performance, but was removed from Google Play over privacy issues. Can deleted files be recovered? Yes, if not overwritten. Check recently deleted files, Google Drive, or use tools like Mobiconductor for Android. Let's get started. Part 1. Retrieve files deleted by Clean Master Android from recently deleted. Launch Clean Master and navigate to the Tools section. Select Photo Cleaner and open the recently deleted section. Browse for your deleted files. Select the ones you need and restore them to your device. Part 2. Restore files deleted by Clean Master on Android from Google Drive Backup. Open Google Drive on your Android or visit Drive. Google.com, sign in if needed, and check folders like My Drive or Backups. Use the search bar to find files by name or type. Select Files, tap the menu, and choose Download. Part 3. Other files deleted by Clean Master Android without backup. If files are missing from Clean Master's recently deleted and no backup exists, use third-party tools like Mobiconductor for Android to recover them. Step 1. Install. Launch the software after installation. Connect your device and enable USB debugging. Step 2. Scan. Select data types, click Next, and let the software scan. Preview and choose Files to restore. Step 3. Recover. Select Files, click Recover, and save them to your computer.